can't believe how low this reservoir here on the Longdale Valley, this is how low it is. Wow, unbelievable. I'm going to walk up the other end, up here, and have a look. I don't fancy walking on that bit because it still looks very grubby and muddy. It's even got grass growing in the middle there. Right, let's have a look up here. Let's have a look over here. Looks like a headstone over there. Let's see what it is. Oh no, it's just a big rock. Wow. Shocking. Let's have a walk over here. You never know, I might be able to find something that's been here for years. Let's have a good look. I like looking at the stones. I bet these have been down a long time. This looks like part of a wall or part of something. Anyway, thanks for watching.